Every day I can set up my side mount gear is a great day. So here I'm preparing to get ready to go to Gemiluk Bay and dive with Luke, who is a Navy veteran that is doing his training through us using the GI Bill. It's a new program that we are going to be using here at Prana Dive. So we go through Amed and we head to Gemiluk Bay, where the porters grab all the gear out of the truck for us, and then they stage it for us to then put everything together. Here we have Luke putting his gear together. You can see other divers in the background getting their stuff together for a dive at Gemiluk Gardens or Gemiluk Wall. And then off we go.